Understanding vision and mission of Zepter International. Zepter mission: live better, live longer. Is it of a great importance? Decide for yourself.
Junk food shortening lives of children worldwide. Unhealthy diets now kill more people than tobacco and high blood pressure. Bad diets are responsible for more deaths than smoking. Poor diet linked to half of heart disease, stroke, diabetes deaths. Unhealthy diets linked to more than 400,000 cardiovascular deaths. Processed foods linked to shorter lifespan. Bad eating habits as the main cause of obesity among children. Air pollution likely to increase coronavirus death rate, warn experts. Air pollution linked to far higher COVID-19 death rates, study finds. China's air pollution overshoots pre-coronavirus concentrations as life resumes after lockdown. Air pollution pandemic shortens lives globally by 3 years, says study. 9 out of 10 people worldwide breathe polluted air. Air purifiers can prevent respiratory problems, suggest doctors. Air pollution could increase schizophrenia risk. Millions of Americans drink potentially unsafe tap water. How does your county stack up? Bottled water. Unhealthy, dirty and costly. New study claims 43 states expose millions to dangerous chemical in drinking water. In the US, most people are drinking water that is legally safe but isn't actually risk-free. US drinking water contamination with forever chemicals far worse than scientists thought. Public health hazards due to unsafe drinking water. US drinking water widely contaminated with forever chemicals.
Would you like to be a part of the problem or part of the solutions?
The future of next generations is in a great danger due to the following facts. Are you going to take action and do something about that today? Or your ignorance is going to make life and health of your kids more difficult tomorrow? World population growth. First billion 1804. Second billion 1927, third billion 1960, seventh billion 2011, 8 billion 2023, ninth billion 2035, 10th billion 2035. World population has increased 10 times in the last 300 years, 7 times in the last 200 years, 4 times in the last 100 years, and 2 times in the last 45 years. About 2 billion hectares of land is degraded by human activities. Over the past 40 years, 30% of the world's arable land has become unproductive. Nutritional value of our food is also on a dramatic decline. Fast and unhealthy food explosion, careless lobby groups and our growing consumption society have drastically undermined the need for preparing healthy meals for our family at the comfort of our homes, using bad quality cookware and unhealthy cooking practices. Added on to that, resulted in unprecedented health consequences. As scientifically and medically proven, an improper, unhealthy diet is the main cause of all chronic diseases. Obesity shortened life expectancy up to 14 years. More than 25 million premature deaths every year are directly linked to unhealthy diet. Right now are registered more than 1,760,000,000 cars, 100,000 air flights per day. Cost of air pollution is $3.5 trillion per year, and more than 92% of population do not breathe safe air. 7 million deaths per year worldwide, and 3 to 6 years shorter life in some countries due to the air pollution. Do you need more dramatic truth about water pollution and food waste? Or you like to see some solutions?
Therapy Air Ion by Zepter Group. Breathing in clean indoor air keeps you vital healthy, while extending your life expectancy. Let your food be your medicine, and let your medicine be your food. Man drinks 90% of his illnesses. Only purified water is healthy water. Baxi, master of food preservation. There is no life without light. Light is the main source of life and main source of energy. Join Zepter mission today and secure a better future. Live better, live longer, live Zepter. The World Health Organization is also confirming importance of Zepter health mission. Who is at risk from climate change? Everyone, everywhere. Children are most vulnerable due to an exposure to environmental risks. Whether you live in a small village, coastal town, or big city, climate change threatens your health. Basic necessities will be disrupted. Food, air, water. What can we do about climate change? We can do a lot to protect ourselves and our families and future generations. Sustainable food systems, healthy diets and transport are important. We should walk, cycle and use public transport. This will clean the air, increase physical activity, and reduce additional diseases like obesity. Cutting down on red and processed meat and increasing fruit and vegetable intake will reduce diseases like cancer and heart disease. Answers to all questions can be found in Zepter presentations. In order to be able to succeed in the next stages of education, be professional and learn them in detail. At the end, we hope you realize that Zepter's mission is social responsibility.